What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox the brand new Apple Watch Ultra 2, now available in a gorgeous black titanium finish. Let's dive in. As always, Apple keeps the unboxing experience top notch. We've got the minimalistic design that just screams premium, and trust me, this new color is about to blow your mind. And here it is, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black titanium. I've got to say, first impressions, this thing looks stunning. That matte black finish is sleek, sophisticated, and feels absolutely solid in the hands. The black titanium finish gives this watch a whole new vibe. It's rugged, but still refined and perfect for those who want a more understated look compared to the natural titanium. You still got all the signature features of the Ultra line, like the customizable action button, the larger digital crown, and that ultra durable sapphire crystal display. The Ultra 2 comes with a matching black band. This one is the black trail loop. It's designed to be both durable and comfortable, perfect for outdoor adventures or a day in the city. And like always, swapping out bands is super easy. So if you want to switch things up, you've got plenty of options. Like what I did, I brought the rustic leather modern strap from Nomad. Sometimes I want to have a classy look, so I elected to get this as a nice secondary band for those times that you want to have a more professional look. Let's talk about performance. The Ultra 2 still boasts that vibrant retina display, now with even more brightness, up to 3000 nits, so you can see everything clearly, even in direct sunlight. Powered by the S9 chip, this thing is lightning fast. Whether you're navigating the new watchOS 10 or tracking your fitness goals, everything feels incredibly smooth. And of course, you get an incredible 36-hour battery life, so it'll last through even the most intense adventures. Whether you're deep sea diving or hitting the gym, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 has got your back. It's packed with all the health and fitness tracking features that you love: heart rate, blood oxygen, GPS, and more, with that rugged durability that makes it stand out from other smartwatches. So there you have it, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black titanium. It's sleek, it's powerful, and honestly, it might just be the best looking Apple Watch yet. Whether you're upgrading from a previous model like myself, or diving into the Ultra line for the first time also, like myself, this one is a total win. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech content, and drop a comment below. Are you feeling the black titanium vibe? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.